So no for uno. We are talking about send one this, send one that. Well, I just a 50 me a beg. Just a 50. Minimum wage is £7.80 an hour. 1 whole hour you have to work for £7.80 and you are going to send me a 50? Eh? You know how much of my life me have to work for send you a 50?
You never know.
A fire, me say when they got touch Usain Bolt money fire.
Hi, this is Anything But Monday, and you're in the mix with DJ Slick.
Anything but Monday.
Gayo. Salute to the champion youths them. Uplift the youths them. Encourage the youths them. That way I say.
Hey, Satan on the time up, you know. Workers have iniquity on the time up, you know. Hope you worker on the time up, you know. Righteousness come to take over. Righteousness govern the world. Anthony Cruz. Blaze it. Move on.
Grand rising to each and everyone, right? And this is Ross Fraser Jr. telling everyone out there, have a wonderful day and a progressive day, right? Never let no one stop you, okay?
It's a girl, Kerry Lopez, representing for Caribbean World Channel. Yes! Check out the movie Wind Rush, produced by Triple Star Promotion, Triple Star Production. Wind Rush, action drama, Kerry Lopez.
Greetings, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to another episode of DJ Stick 44 Music News. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Viewers and subscribers, let us check out some new singles and music video before we go in it.
Go in it. In your bedroom clean, let me go in it.
Body bed, we are big people, come and quit. Body go.
In the play, chop a line, me a star boy. Yeah, Big Ben, star boy. Or some flip it dollar sign, me a star boy. Cash.
My lifestyle, long champagne bus, split.
Ratchet, damn me clock the matic load. See them out a panic. Action me love and a cartoon. Man well militant from grassroots. Have something sharp.
Me a money maker, real paper chaser. OCB, ice skyscraper, stay to myself, cause the whole of them a traitor.
No one see my mother cry, me no want that. So me invest in her for me a rat. Oh, me for move on when the pass on. Me like chopping night.
The road up, but me still a chad. The road up, but me still a chad. We're alive, never give up. The aim of to live big, live big.
Me a search for him, knock it for true, knock it for real. Murder, a killing for real.
Let us say it again and again. I will never kill my friend. With all that I have said, I want you to go and purchase a song written and performed by Welder. Say it again. Available on all digital platforms. Remember, this is Talia Allen encouraging all you parents to know where your sons and daughters are.
Why do the man them deal with the thing, you know? Can't trust nobody. No potential. Friend killer over here. Tell your friend from now. Say it, I will never kill my friend. Never kill, never kill. I will never kill my friend. No, never.
You see foreign? And when me come a foreign, me see bed bug.
This video I'm talking about is a lady speaking and telling you all about foreign and the situation that she have to go through and what she witnessed and what she faced and what she see for the first time in foreign. I'm speaking about a lady who I tell you about the hardship, who I tell you about the struggle, who I tell you about the obstacle, who I tell you about life in a foreign, whether you're in America, whether you're in Canada, whether you're in England, whether you're in any part of the world, it's not easy. So you Jamaicans here, I may talk about some other people in some places. You Jamaicans, me there Jamaicans, so I can't talk about Jamaica. I talk about you Jamaicans. Some of you have it too easy. Because people there in a foreign, the mafia work 2, 3, 4 jobs. Yeah, believe you me, you have some people after do 4 jobs just to survive. And when you the here, I take it easy and go up and I call them phone. Ask them for this and you ask them for that. us up and send you $1. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it, man. I'm here not for only Jamaican love say, oh, $1 for Americans are just $1. You understand? No, it's not just $1, you know. Because some of them have to work 3-4 jobs just to get that $1. You understand? So anything where a man give you, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. You understand? Some of us don't appreciate nothing people do for us. You understand? Some of viewers and subscribers, me I represent for this lady who are talk about the struggles. Me I go show you what this lady I say. Me don't know this lady. So anybody who know this lady and know what she talk about in a foreign, I want to leave a comment down below. People, me don't know this lady. So if you know this lady, wanna tag her. Tell her it's a DJ Stick Fall for acknowledge this video. Tell her it's a DJ Stick Fall for accept this video. Tell her that this video is a true confession and it have to be a part of this program. You understand, viewers and subscribers? So watch the video, people, and like, share, comment, and leave a tag down below. You understand? Yeah, man.
You see foreign? And when me come a foreign, me see bed bug. And when me come a foreign, me know a bed bug. Me never see a bed bug in a Jamaica. Me used to hear about chink. Yeah? And when me come a foreign, me see rat. Me see mice a Jamaica. Me see some rat big like puss live in a house with you. So you a eat them a eat too. Sometimes they nyam before you in the house. You sit down and watch all TV, all the rat come out and watch TV with you in a foreign. Yeah, let me tell you that. Me see some cockroach big. Me never even know a cockroach could have be so big in a foreign. Yeah, me tell you. But me I tell you about my experience of foreign. So you see enough people where come talk about foreign like foreign or some. No. You live like dog before you get salted out in a foreign. You walk on box boat. You see all the same people, them, the same family, them will come to Jamaica and send you all a little invitation for come. And tell you say come, you own a family them. Member say when you come a foreign, one different family member you see when you come and the same one who come to Jamaica come go on nice. So when you come a foreign, one different family member. If you're turning at them house 3 or 4 months, when you come in a foreign, you would be lucky. You me tell you, I'm here talk about cool England. You me tell you, not even one coat pan your back, whatever you come with from Jamaica that you have to wrap up in a go pan road. Whatever you come as footwear that you have to wear in a foreign. Because in my experience, no family member now do nothing for you. After they get the invitation there, you come through and sleep couple nights in them house. Make me tell you something. I saw you set a foreign. Yeah? So you see all who are flaunt and a galang and a go and make me tell you something. There's no way you go work your hard-earned cash in a England. You don't know about no other foreign. Yeah? But in a England, you and go Jamaica go flaunt and live certain way. You hear me tell you? Make me tell you something. Some people can't buy things if you not depend discount in a foreign. Yeah? Make me tell you something when you come to box boat. If you never box boat at Jamaica, when you hear about box boat, talk about foreign. You hear me tell you? When you come a foreign, you don't have family. Now, but I think you have family when you come a foreign. Not no name, so. But the only time you have foreign here and family are when you're straight and you're alright and you know need them carpet for sleep and that's the only time you know say you have a something where you call name family like that. Let me tell you that about foreign. Yeah? You see foreign? Enough people them can't. If you see when them have video, they can't video in a them house. Yeah? Them can't video because them can't too make too much video because I know for them also people also them can't too make too much video. You see people are hype with how much thousand car? If you take up even 110,000, 15 or 30,000 go buy a car cash, make me tell you something. It's a possibility say you have some little check up and wonder where you get the money from. Everybody buy off a credit. Yeah? Everybody a credit, good credit to fix up your credit and you get things. So when you see people are flans and are going, yes, things we alright in a foreign, but it take a while. Make me tell you something. You say stress. When we at Jamaica, we talk about stress as if it's nothing. You say you come a foreign, you know stress. You know the real old stress in a foreign. You hear me tell you that? So you see all them people there. We are talking me have people are foreign and them. Yeah, people are foreign. You know people them are foreign I live? You know how the people them are foreign and live? You know, say enough of the people them have to go up on the this discount when the supermarket are closed and they sitting them near for expire and them sell it for little or nothing. And with this one them have to wait till 7, 8 o'clock for going at the store. Yeah, fi go get the discount food because them can't. Enough of them have to go food bank because it struggle real foreign. Yeah, listen, foreign is not all where people say yes, it can be good because after you sort out yourself, especially England, you can live a little nice life. Yeah, but I know so you start out the things them if you ever never catch man at Jamaica. Let me tell you, say man they are foreign for catch left, right, and center. Yeah, that are the honest truth. Enough things when enough woman never do at Jamaica, them come a foreign and them have to do it if them want to stay. You hear me tell you? I saw it set up. Right? So, enough of us have people are foreign. Oh, no, people they are foreign, Alip. People did come here legal. You know what it's like to be in a foreign illegal? They don't want you there when you're legal. They do not want you there. Much less for you illegal. Yeah? So enough of uno. We are talking about send one this, send one that. Well, I just a 50 me a beg. Just a 50. Minimum wage is £7.80 an hour. 1 whole hour you have to work for £7.80 and you are going to send me a 50? Eh? You know how much of my life me have to work for send you a 50? Huh? And if even government assist you with little money, you still have to pay the bills. Make sure that the government when send you little money, you don't care if you pay your bill, you have to pay your bills. Yeah? So foreign is not all that. No matter things say so it go. Yeah? Because if the truth be known, enough people did their flaws and a galang. Let me tell you something, man. When you come and foreign, you meet some life. Jamaica, if everyone board house, you live in a, you get fresh air in the house, they don't think. Yeah? If you pick them piece the little piece of sponge, because enough of we, a sponge we used to have, we can put it out in the sun and make, but no, not even bed bug, not take it up. But you see, you come and foreign, the bed bug them, I'll erat them, watch TV. You sit down and watch all TV and erat them come out, sit down and watch TV with you. And if you not be careful, then change all the channel upon you. A suffering setup. You hear me tell you? So when you see the glitter and the glamour, I know so you go. Hey, let me tell you something. The grass look green up on the other side, but if you water for your grass, you will find out say it will just as be a green. I know so